Here's one for the Ford Classic fans. 1955 Ford Fairlane Crown Victoria. Good looking two-door. Now this particular car, paint code WE, so tropical rose, snowshoe white. Gotta love the colors from the mid-50s. Take a look at the chrome bright work up on the front of this, the grille, of course the hood ornament, headlight surrounds, a lot of bright work on these cars. Underneath the hood, 272Y block that's paired up with a Ford-O-Matic, automatic transmission, power steering. Check out the still pictures. Take a look at the underside, interior, engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the wide white wall radial tires. Let's go ahead and take a look down this driver's side. Bright work, nice shine to it. Nice and polished. One little spot where there's a touch up back here. You can see that. Fender skirts. Then the interior in this car. Trim code AS, white vinyl and rose vinyl. So check that out. This particular vehicle, San Jose, California built car. Came to us from Texas. Continental kit. Actually a spare in the trunk too, but look at the chrome and bright work on the rear of this. The still pictures, probably over 100 online. You'll be able to see the trunk, interior, undersides. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And those pictures, once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. As we take a look from the rear to the front on the driver's side. Bright work, polished up well. Little touch-up spot right there also. But overall, what a fun car to take to any of your classic car cruise-ins, local shows. Big one where we're at, back to the 50s, of course. Door panels look good. Interior vinyl, free of rips, tears, holes, also looking good. Let's take a look at the headliner, and of course that chrome kind of halo is going to go across the top. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Getting the 272Y block underneath the hood, Ford-O-Matic automatic transmission. Runs smooth, started up anytime I've moved this car around in our showroom here. Previous owner did note clock and radio in-op. Of course, 55 had the round radio. Wipers, looks like they were converted to electric wipers. Those are working. See that? All right, let's slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Pretty quiet. There you go. A little bit of rumble coming out of that exhaust. Sorry about the noise in the background. There you go. Here, I'm going to slip up to the front, let you hear this engine run, and give me a second to get this hood open. There's the underside of the hood. And nice tidy engine bay. Do have a pusher fan up front for helping keep things cool. Like Edelbrock carb. Sounds good. Slip around to the back, maybe hear it a little bit better now. Like I said, no crazy exhaust, just a nice little deep throaty exhaust note. 1955 Ford Crown Victoria, real deal. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. See the pictures. You'll be able to see that door tag, decode the VIN. door tag, all of that. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, you can assist with transportation if you need it shipped to you. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1955 Ford Fairlane Crown Victoria. It's in a pretty striking pink and white. This car starts and runs great. We've got a blower motor that works. Radio. The radio works good. Under the dash there is a new wiper switch. That also works. It worked the first time I tried it. It's not working right now. Temperature gauge is reading about a third. Fuel's reading about 3/4. Let's get her up to speed here. Very nice interior. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but the roads are dry, so we're able to do these driving videos for you. Horn works. Brakes work good. Definitely want to check it out. Go to our website, see lots of pictures, see a walk around video, or come to our showroom and see it in person.